Hi, and welcome to another episode of RaviSinghBlog.in. And today, in this episode, I'm going to talk about the latest feature introduced by Mailchimp, which is to add a landing page as well as a pop-up form to your blog or your website. So, before that, I discuss any further. Let me give you some background about the landing page. So, what happened earlier is whenever you need a landing page for your website or blog, you need to install some third party tool or software which can connect with Mailchimp, and then using that software you create a landing page. But recently Mailchimp has introduced its own feature, which is creating a new landing page or a new pop-up form which will be displayed to your blog to gather the email leads. So this is an interesting feature, and I just thought to discuss that with you quickly. So I will show you a demo how to create a landing page first, and then I will show you how to create a pop-up form in Mailchimp. So as you all know, Mailchimp is an email subscriber management tool which is used to uh, manage all your email list. And let's get started and understand how the landing page works. So once you log into your Mailchimp account, you have a campaign option on the top left side. You need to go to the campaign, and then you need to click on this link, which is a create campaign. Once you click that, you'll see the three options here at the bottom: create an email, create an ad, and create a landing page. So this is the new feature we need to create on this link, which says create a landing page. Here, once you click that, you will have two options. The first one is sign up page, second one is the product page. So sign up page is something which is used to collect email from your readers or the people who read your blog. So normally what happens is someone, a visitor lands on your blog or your website, and they are trying to read the content, and then what you do is you redirect them to a specific landing page. You can use to showcase your new product, or you can use it to redirect user to a certain sign up page. You are offering a new ebook which you want user to subscribe. If they will provide you email address, you let them download that ebook. Or it's a webinar where you want user to sign up for that webinar to for a specific date or time. So there could be various use of this landing page. So let's take an example of sign up page. So you need to give a name for this sign up page. I have given example sign up page. Now after that you need to select the list. So the list is something where you know keep all your email subscriber. So for me it's the first one. So I will select the name of the email list. You need to select whatever you have, and then click on the begin. Once you click on that, you will get this predefined template for the sign up page. So let me quickly show you the preview first so that you'll get idea what I'm talking about. So this is a preview. So what will happen is normally in a typical sign up page or a landing page, what we show is the image on the top, and then some headlines, and then a description, and then you will ask the user to provide your email for the sign up. And note that we have an option of mobile here, so you can also see how your landing page looks on a smaller device. So that's a very good feature. So let's come back to the editing mode. So here the first option is logo. So whatever you want, the content you want to edit, you need to click on that, and then on the right hand side you see all the properties of that link. For example, here I clicked on this image, and here I can see a replace, edit, link, and alternate. So I will click on this replace if you just want to replace the image, and I just wanted to show you how it works. So here I change the image, so this is how the new image look like. And you can also put a link. For example, if you want to something like if I want to put my blog link, I can do that here, so that a user, if they will try to click this, they will land on my blog. Now here is the headline. So you can keep any headline which attract the user. For example, if I want to put something like please download my free ebook. or something like please download my free blogging ebook. So something like that, you can give a catchy headline here to get the attention of your user. And then of course here in the description you can edit it right here. You can give a nice description about what is this ebook, or what is this webinar, or whatever you want to announce here. You can do that. And the last thing is the email. So email is something which you ask from the user, and then there is a button here. You can see, you can change the property of the button here. You can change the label of the button also right here. So once you change here, it will reflect here. So the same way we have the option of style here. So if you want to change the color of the button, for example, if you see here I have the blue color. If I want to just change it to any other color, you can do that. And then of course the hover over color for the CSS property and all, you can directly change it here. The same way, if you want to change any specific portion of the landing page, you can click on that portion, or the part or the content, and then click on the style. So once you click on the style, you have option to change the text style, what type of style you want, size, the font size, the color, because there is no color selected here. So you can always make a color selection here. Of course the font also you can change here. So we have a various option to change, or also the last option is a column. If you want to more than one column, for example 2 column, you can do it here. You can have multiple column to make your content interesting. So using this feature of Mailchimp, you can create a beautiful attractive landing page for whatever announcement you want to make. And you can quickly create the landing page, and then you can just save and close once you are done here. So once you are done, what will happen is at the end of the saving all the content, uh, you just need to make one final change here. You just need to give the name of your URL. So once you do that, Mailchimp will provide you the URL. So this page is hosted on the Mailchimp. Okay, so Mailchimp will provide you a link. So this is the link, and it will also tell you that the all the subscriber whoever will subscribe there will come to this list here. And of course the content whatever you created. So let me copy this link and we'll show you how it looks. So if I'll go here in a new window and try to open this link, this is how it will look like. Okay, so I found the issue. The issue was I have not clicked on the publish. So that's why the link was not active. So once you're done with that page, you need to click on the publish button. So once you publish, you'll get something like this. Now you need to click on this link, which is a sample uh, design page which you have created. So you can see this is how it will look like. And of course this is the link which you can use in your WordPress or whatever website you have. You can ask user to either from your main website or main page, you can redirect to them to this page, or you can send this to your email subscriber saying that you have launched a new product and can use this link. So once user will click on this link, they will directly land here, and they will subscribe using this customized landing page. So as you can see, this is a very good way, a very easy way to create a landing page for your blog or website using Mailchimp directly. So you don't need any third-party tool or something like that. So this is the latest feature introduced by Mailchimp, and I hope this little video given a good idea about how to create a landing page. And now I quickly jump to the pop-up, how to create a subscriber pop-up box on your website. So let's quickly see that. It's also a new feature last month introduced by Mailchimp. So how to do this is okay, so to create a new subscriber pop-up box using Mailchimp, you need to first click on this link which is on your top. It's called the list, which is the third from the left. You need to click on this, and then you have to go to the list which you have created. Here I will go to my list here, and then after coming here you need to click on this sign up form. So before you create any pop-up box for your list, you need to come to that list. So this pop-up box only belongs to this list which is on there on the top. So you need to specify the list for which you want to create the pop-up box. So once you go to the sign up form in your list, you need to scroll down and come to the subscriber pop-up. So you need to select this. Okay, once you select this, you will see a predefined template here. So here you can see on the top we have some image, and then something like join our newsletter, and then some description, and then it will ask for the email. So let me show you how to change all the uh, setting here, and customize the property. So here if you want to change the image, you can also align the image. For example, I can something like do like something like this. I can put image all on the right side, or I can do it on the left side, or I can do it on top. You can choose whatever you want to do. If you want to change the picture, you just need to click here, and for example, let me take any you know okay, so I've taken this image. So you can something like this, you can put it on the top. If you want to change the content, of course you need to come here. See on the right hand side, you can change everything. If I want the user to download my ebook, I can do something like this. So you can change everything, the text, the heading, and after once you make all those changes, you can, if you want, you can also specify any other field except email if you want to put here. And then of course in the design option, in the design tab, you have various options. For example, I've select the model, which is the pop-up. You can also use a slide, which is something like once you you scroll down, you can specify the slide pop-up which will come from the bottom. And if you want to change the property of this pop-up box, you can use the display option here. So if you see here, we have different option when the pop-up box will come up. For example, after 5 seconds of delay it will pop up, or after 20 seconds, or once you scroll to the middle of the page. So you can choose any option. You have also option to exit. So if someone want to exit from your page, you can display this pop-up. So the same way we have fixed pop-up box. So this is something like which is always fixed to a particular portion. For example, if you want it to always on the top or always on the bottom, it will not move based on your scrolling or delay or something. It will always be fixed. So for most of the time our pop-up box will be something like be in the center. And once the user try to the very basic example is, once a user try to exit the page, we will display pop-up. So this is the very common use of pop-up. So something like this you can create here. Of course you can always change the way the image are. You can change the font and the color, whatever you want here. And then of course the subscribe now button, so you can always something change it to whatever you want to do. For example, if I want to have something like download ebook, I can do like this. And you have option of alignment of the button. For example, I can make it in the center or left. So there are various options to customize the look and feel. So once you are done with all your editing, you just need to click on publish. And once you publish this, there is a button here on the left hand side. It says view code. So it will give you a JavaScript code of the pop-up box. What you need to do is you just need to put this in on your website directly. For example, if you are using a WordPress, so in the WordPress, if you want to display it on a particular page, for example, or particular post, you just need to go to the widget. For example, say I want to display it on my home page or a particular page, say like about page or contact page. So what I will do is I will go to the widget part, and on the right hand side you can add a new widget, and you can use the HTML component, and just insert this. So it will always work on that particular page or particular post. This is the way you can just insert this in your website or blog, and directly those pop-up will start coming on your website or blog. So this is the way we can create a sample pop-up box, or a landing page directly in the Mailchimp. So Mailchimp has started providing this option directly, so you don't have to rely on any other third-party tool. But still there are lot of things to be done. It's slightly little technical in nature, so the people who do not have that much technical knowledge will feel it little difficult to create a pop-up box or a landing page, and integrate that with a website. So I still think Mailchimp has to do more, but at least for the basic user, they have given the feature to create pop-up and a landing page directly in Mailchimp, which is a very good thing. So I hope this little video help you to understand how the pop-up and the landing page works in Mailchimp. I will look forward to you in the coming videos. Please subscribe to my video. Just you need to click on the subscribe button below, so that next time you don't have to look or search for my new videos. It will come directly to your inbox. And please do not forget to put a thumb if you like the video, thumbs up, and please do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.